Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do part 2 of the standing stretches on the ladder barrel front version.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So if you watched the first one, you know that there are 4 options for your standing stretches front. Some people call this the ballet stretches, right? And you can call them the ballet stretches. Just call them your stretches. So they're great. And the front one is awesome. I talked about this in the last video, and you'll see if you're looking at the barrels flashcard deck from OnlinePilatesClasses.com, you'll see that I included a lot of different complementary exercises on the mat reformer and the other barrels. And if you look at the mat and the reformer, you've got your single straight leg stretch, you've got your single leg elephant, you've got your tendon stretch leg back. All very, very important. And if you want to work your way up to these, the stretches front version 1, part 2. Part 2 is what you want to do. So typically you would have done it from the first part, which was you go across the midline, right? Very safe for your body. You have that stretch of the hip, and then you straighten the leg out. Now, a lot of people just like to hang out here, but we actually need to activate this. So especially if you're a hypermobile person, but all of us need to actually activate this leg. So the standing leg, you're going to bend and straighten a few times. That's going to get you into the glute and not lock out in the hip or the knee. And then this leg, I actually do a little push down with my calf to activate my hamstring. And then I stand up really tall. You round forward, like spine stretch forward. You lift up, and then without hinging your lower back, you lift your heart up. So both legs are pushing away. Heart is up. And then again, you round forward, come up to a tall back, and then go into an extension. Now, of course, you could always skip the extension if that's not okay for your body. You do a few of those, and then you transition to part 3. Part 4 is one that will take some time to get there. Part 3 might actually be that way for you as well, especially if you're new. So if you're looking at the OPC flashcards, thank you. And if you haven't got them yet and you have a ladder barrel, I highly recommend it. We really, truly nerd out on the ladder barrel, spine corrector, small barrel, and the C-shaper. And there's just a lot of different ways to show how you can use the cards, the different exercises together. If you like to nerd out on the ladder barrel, we've got workouts for you at OnlinePilatesClasses.com. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.